Rayleigh out playing in the rain. She's not sure about that. She's just sitting there. She's like, shower time. It's shower time. Oh, it's so wet. Look at you. She had a good time. You want to do it again? I'll do it again. Say bye. There you go. Oh. What do you think? You're soaking wet. Okay. What do you think? Oh, you're getting wet. What are you thinking? What can I say? The kid loves shower time.
Wow.
What are you doing? She's not sure about that. She's like, okay.
Are we done?
Are we done? Are we done? Okay, I think Daddy's tired of getting wet.
No, I don't mind. I'll do it again.
She's having a good old time. Boo. Oh, yes.
Nah, I think we're
rain.
done.
I think we're done. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Are you done already? Long-winded.